You ever taken a serpentine belt off a vehicle and you just can't figure out how it's routed when you go to put it back on? I'm Brian from How to Automotive, and I have the solution for you. So I took the serpentine belt off this Mercedes CL500 a couple days ago, and now I need to route it back on. And of course I don't remember the belt routing. So I'm excited to share with you a new app that's out. It's put out by the Gates Belt Company. This app is designed to help you with belt routings, it's to help you with part numbers, and a whole lot more. So it works with your iPhone or your Android. So you'll download the app, and you can select the vehicle that you're working on by tapping here, and you can either manually enter the VIN number or you can scan it. So by pressing the scan button, a camera will open up and you'll focus on the VIN number on the door jamb or in the window, and it will scan the VIN number. And if the barcode is unreadable, you can manually enter it in. Once you got it entered in, you'll press go here. Now a list will pop up of all different sorts of options. So I'm going to scroll down here to belt routing, and a diagram will pop up with the proper belt routing. So all you do is follow the diagram and you're good to go. So the Gates Belt Company makes more than just serpentine belts and tensioners. They have timing belt kits, they have like PCV hoses, idler pulleys, a whole list of parts that would work with your car, including the cooling system. So I'm scrolling through the app here. So they have emissions vacuum hoses and vent lines that go to PCV valves and stuff like that. So I'm clicking on it here, and this is some of the parts for this particular vehicle, which is a Mercedes. So what you have in your hand is a mobile parts app that allows you to look up parts for the vehicle you're working on, diagrams, and whatever you need. So like I'm going to look up a cooling system. I'll go to the cooling system here, and it'll show me all the radiator hoses and vent lines for the cooling system. And then not only does it have the list of the part numbers and pictures of all the parts, it also has recommended tools for testing cooling systems. So it also has the ability to launch a search for the nearest store located near you that will have these parts. So you can just back out to the main menu, and then you'll hit the go button, and you'll click on the parts lookup. And once you click on that and press go, the app is going to ask you your location settings. And if you choose to accept that, it's going to open up a window here where you can enter in your zip code. And then once you enter in your zip code, the nearest parts stores selling the parts or services that you want or desired will pop up, allow you to contact these places to order the parts and have them sent to your shop or your current location. The app is called Navigate by Gates Belt Company. You can find it in the App Store. I will link it up in the description of the video. I wanted to say that this is not a paid sponsorship by Gates. I'm doing this because I thought this would be a super helpful and useful tool for you guys. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching, and be sure to subscribe.